We found an abandoned 1965 Rolls-Royce hidden deep in the jungle. This forgotten Rolls-Royce sat untouched in the wild for years. Here's the first full look at this rusted Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow. The rust damage is far worse than we expected. The interior is destroyed, dirty, and frozen in time.
This engine bay shows years of neglect and corrosion.
The original badge and VIN confirm this classic Rolls-Royce story. Every abandoned Rolls-Royce has a story waiting to return. The owner finally arrived to discuss selling this forgotten Rolls-Royce. We reviewed every major issue on this rusted luxury car. Now it was time to negotiate the price.
The deal is done. This Rolls-Royce is ours.
We just bought a Rolls-Royce for an unbelievably cheap price.
Cash changed hands, and the classic car deal was sealed.
These original keys now belong to us. This was more than a purchase, Gihanchat. It was a rescue.
The abandoned Rolls-Royce is finally leaving the jungle.
The undercarriage reveals years of brutal hidden damage.
We secured the car carefully for transport to the workshop. This classic Rolls-Royce is finally heading toward a second life. The Rolls-Royce has arrived at the restoration garage.
The workshop doors opened for the project of a lifetime.
Inside the workshop, the real restoration challenge begins.
This is the before shot fly. Rough, rust-you, but legendary.
We mapped out the full restoration from rust to road.
The tools are ready for a full classic car restoration. Look at the extent of this delamination on the wheel arch.
That's deep. We'll need a full section replacement.
And the wiring near the trunk is completely compromised. One look inside told us this interior was beyond filthy.
This is where the Rolls-Royce restoration journey truly starts.
So, foam cleaning reveals the true shape of this luxury classic.
We deep clean the undercarriage to expose every hidden problem. Everything is set for the full restoration process.
The engine bay needed serious degreasing before inspection.
We cleared out years of trash from the interior.
The bumper removal marks the start of full disassembly.
Lights came off next, piece by piece.
We removed every badge and trim piece with care.
The seats came out, exposing the hidden condition underneath. Under the carpet, the floor damage was immediately obvious.
With the car lifted, the wheels finally came off.
These old tires were beyond saving.
We disconnected everything needed before engine removal.
The Rolls-Royce engine is finally out of the car.
Every wire was removed and labeled for reassembly.
The body is now stripped to bare metal.
This full inspection revealed every rusted section. We started grinding away decades of corrosion.
Fresh metal panels were welded in to rebuild the body.
Seam sealer protects every repaired section from future damage.
We sanded the entire body for a perfect finish.
The suspension system was rebuilt for strength and comfort.
New bushings replaced every worn suspension mount.
There's the rotation Europe was saying.
The brake system needed a complete rebuild for safety.
We tore the engine down to inspect every internal part.
Years of sludge came off the pistons and block.
The engine went back together with precision and patience. The seat frames were repaired and wrapped in fresh upholstery.
The dashboard restoration brought the cabin back to life.
All interior parts are now ready for installation.
Primer goes on, sealing months of bodywork.
Primer goes on, sealing months of bodywork.
The silver base coat transforms the car instantly.
Clear coat adds depth, protection, and mirror-like shine.
The fresh paint cures into a deep, glossy finish.
Wet sanding refines the paint for a true mirror finish.
Polishing brings out the final Rolls-Royce glow.
The restored engine is finally back where it belongs. We reconnected the entire electrical system with precision.
The restored suspension goes back in for a smoother ride.
New tires and restored wheels complete the stance. Perfect door alignment is critical on a luxury classic. Perfect door alignment is critical on a luxury classic.
The headlights and trim restore the Rolls-Royce identity.
Fresh carpet instantly changes the feel of the cabin. The restored dashboard brings classic luxury back inside.
The new seats complete the Rolls-Royce interior transformation.
After everything, the engine finally starts again.
Listen to that smooth idle time. Pure restored luxury. Wow. Look at him. Now we test every light and electrical function.
This is the moment we reveal the finished Rolls-Royce.
Now it's time for the first city test drive. On the highway, the Silver Shadow looks reborn. From every angle, this Rolls-Royce looks absolutely incredible. From jungle wreck to luxury icon, here's the transformation.
Subscribe for more epic classic car restoration stories.